Hey, this is Steve, a product specialist here at 1000bulbs.com, and today I'm very excited to introduce to you a line of products from PLT Solutions, the LED linear high bay fixture with a motion sensor. The first thing I want to point out though is just in the value of just having a sensor like this alone. I want to show you exactly how it installs. You get the fixture just like this out of the box. It's got a nice little knockout here that I can easily undo. And this little fixture, let's just count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is installed. If you have any questions or would like to make a purchase, give one of our knowledgeable lighting experts a call at 1-800-624-4488 or visit us at 1000bulbs.com. Don't forget to click the like button if this is valuable for you. And for more lighting product spotlights, tips, and education, please hit that subscribe button too. You can even turn on notifications by clicking the bell so you'll know exactly when we upload new content. We'll see you next time.